Autodesk Composite provides a set of tools that allows you to optimize your production workflow. By layering an animation, you can render separate files, usually saving not only the initial render time, but rework time as well. Another tool available in Composite is the ability to remap the color of an image or sequence in order to change the look of the final image. For example, the beaker ink animation has a logo that comes in at the end of the animation. One of the problems our client noticed was that the logo was a little too dark on the edges, and the middle had a hotspot that was too bright. We can use an option called Remap Color from the pick list to correct this. Continue from the previous section, or open the file Chapter 12 Final Comp 02.tx composition from the Understanding 3D Project V Post directory. Currently we have two sequences layered together, creating a complete animation with the logo flying in towards the end of the animation. If we scrub the timeline in the center and drag the time slider to the right, we will see the logo come into the scene. Notice that the edges are a bit dark and the middle is too bright. Let's add a Remap Color tool to the output of the text beaker animation node. In an open area, middle mouse click to open the Gate UI. Move the cursor to the right to highlight the pick list option. This opens the pick list. Click on the Color Correction category. In the Tools section, scroll until you see the Remap Color tool option. Click and drag the Remap Color tool onto the connector running from the output of the text beaker node to the input of the Blend and Comp node, and release the mouse button. This inserts the Remap Color node and opens the attributes in the lower section. In order to see the entire composite, so we can see what effect the changes will have on the logo, we need to change what is displayed in the composite output window. Right-click in the composite output window, place the cursor over the display option, and choose Composition Output. Then click on the Remap Color node to make sure it's selected. This allows us to see the effects of the changes on the final composite as we work. Make sure the time slider is on the last frame of the animation. Notice there's a graph in the center of the color remap parameters area. Also notice that the line in the graph has three grips. The one on the left adjusts the darker colors, and the one on the right adjusts the brighter colors. Let's increase the level of the darker colors. Click and drag the left node up just a little bit. Watch the darker colors get lighter as we move the grip up. This level is good. To lower the bright part, drag the right side grip down a little. Not too much, maybe to just about here. Now the logo is more evenly lit. We can continue editing the curve by adjusting the grip handles or by editing only one color. There are many options and uses for the Remap Color tool. To see the changes, we can scrub the time slider and see how the logo is affected during the animation. We just made a change using a tool that eliminated the need for us to adjust scene lighting and re-render an animated sequence. Go ahead and save the file.